We have a quadratic equation and we're being asked to solve it algebraically. So normally that means two things. You either factorize it or use the quadratic. You could also complete the square, but that's not covered in great depth at GCSE and for solving equations normally, but you could do that. Or the quadratic formula, which by the way you derive from completing the square. And hint, it says give your answers to two decimal places. That's code, but it's not going to factorize. We're going to have to use the quadratic formula here. So we need to remember that. If I should say, if ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, then x equals minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all square rooted divided by 2a. Not going to show you where that comes from here, but that is the formula we can use. So we have that a is equal to 3, b is equal to 8, and c is equal to minus 5. So we just need to carefully put them in. It's going to equal minus 8 plus or minus 8 squared minus 4 times 3 times minus 5 square rooted divided by 2 times 3. And I can put that into my calculator and it'll figure it out for me. So the first thing is, let's deal with the positive solution. I don't think my calculator can deal with both at once. So I can actually, because I've got two negatives here, I can actually do a little shortcut and do 4 times 3 times 5 and not worry about minusing, just do plus 4 times 3 times 5. And I'm going to be dividing by 6. I get this third, but I'm interested in the decimal answer, 0.5225. Or, and then it's exactly the same equation, but I'm just going to change it to a minus here. Minus 3.189. Okay, obviously these go on. I'm asked to round it to two decimal places, so it's going to be 0.52 if I round this one, or minus 3.19 if I round this one.